What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I made some changes to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. First of all, I made it to $1,000 in earned dividends. That was a great goal. Now I'm starting to get to 30,000. Then I'm going to start looking at 40,000, 50,000. So I need to start expanding my dividend portfolio. Again, I have a goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. So I have some goals and I have some strategies that I plan on implementing, and I am enhancing the Death Star a little bit to be a little bit more powerful so that I can get these monthly dividend stocks and really rack up these monthly dividend stocks so I can start buying the quarterly dividend stocks, and my quarterly dividend stocks, and start buying my monthly dividend stocks. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now and the changes that I made. But I'll show you how many holdings I have and how many stocks I have. So I'll show you that, and I'll show you what my plans are. So in order, I have 60 shares of Iron Mountain, 47 shares of LTC, 36 of RYLD, 33 of QYLD now. Verizon, I have 28.2. Omega Health Investors, 26.5. BGS 25.77, Pfizer I have 24.01, BTI 20.90, SLVO 20.85, First Energy 19.80, Pembina I have 19.16, Altria 18.83, Spirit Realty Capital 16.43, Enbridge 16.04, SMB, the E-Trax monthly 2 times monthly pay, leverage, small cap, high dividend ETN Series B. Really like this one. It's $11.77, and I have 15 shares. So I'm racking this one up, and I'm getting these monthly dividends kicking in. I got XYLD. That's at 15.29 shares. So you're starting to see me really focus on the monthly dividend stocks. Coca-Cola I put down to 1%. I got 13.5 shares. UVV, I have 13.48. Physicians Realty Trust, 13.27. Exxon, I have 13.24. Medical Properties Trust, 12.18. RA Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, 1177. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, 11.46. I got NUSI, 10.56. Plymouth Industrial Rate, 10.45. Office Properties Income Trust, 9. Agree Realty Corporation 8.69. I want to get to 60. I want to get to 100 with these guys. I absolutely love these guys with compounded annual growth rate. Healthcare Trust of America. And by the way, with Agree Realty Corporation, my previous video, I'll have at the end of this video. You got to check this out. These are my top monthly dividend stocks that I own. I go over a dividend stock analysis. I go into a lot of these stocks in detail, like Agree Realty Corporation and some of these other real estate investment trusts. So I'll go over that in the previous video, so make sure you click that one. Divo, that's a good monthly dividend stock. Telescorp Communications, I made some changes, so you're going to be really interested. Unilever, One Oak 7.25, AT&T 6.83, jepi I have 4.62, BCE 3.77, and I just did a video on these mortgage-backed REITs, and actually these ones are not that bad, and they've done pretty well. And they've increased their dividends. So I'm going to put these in here in this. And I don't have, some of my, I don't have AGNC. Here's another covered call, ETN REML, GLDI, New Residential Rate Investment. That's another one that is a MREIT. And that one has increased its dividends over time, and it's pretty cheap. SLG, I just did a video of that. SL Green Realty Corp, that can totally blow up in my face. I'm taking a risk with this one. A very nice dividend yield percentage. I added Arbor Realty Trust to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and guess what? I had it on my E-Trade portfolio. I'm going to continue to keep it on my E-Trade portfolio. Same with Horizon Technology Finance. I'm actually throwing it in my M1 Finance. I sold it, and I'm going to throw it in USOI tomorrow. once I wake up. So I'm very excited to go after the cover call ETNs with the oil. Horizon Technology Finance, it's sitting at 10 cents. Good monthly dividend stock. This is another one that has SLG Green Realty Corp with the monthly dividends. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. So first thing, the BDC M rate. So I have MFA, SAC, ABR, Horizon Technology Finance, and NRZ. So I added these ones to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. It's going to be a small percentage, probably about 5%. And I'm going to just start racking these up and getting the passive income with these guys because I like the way these guys distribute passive income and they're cheap. SLG Green Realty, I just put them at 2%. I like the way that these guys distribute dividends. It's a monthly dividend stock. I posted a video on these guys. Them and Agree Realty Corporation, you guys got to check that one out at the end of this video. They also have in the link in after the end of the video, Too Much Money by Dividend Cultivator. It's a very good one. This is one of the best sellers that I had. Just showing you guys with my YouTube followers. A lot of you guys really like that one. You guys did a poll on it. So it's going to be in the link description. You know, like once you click at the end, I'm going to have my latest video and I'm going to have this video and Too Much Money. This is a really good one with the dividend investing strategy for you guys to check out. You know, I don't have all the time in the world being busy in graduate school, but this guy, he has an excellent strategy to help you with your dividend investing strategy, and he's had excellent ratings with it. It's unbelievable his ratings that he's done with his book Too Much Money. So you guys got to check that out if you're interested. It really, I mean, the ratings, he has really very good compliments. I think very highly of this guy. Who would not promote his product if I didn't think it was any good. It's a phenomenal product, and a lot of you guys who have bought this and checked it out, you guys really like the reviews. Same with the people in the Twitter Nation who have bought this book that has really kicked it up a notch if they want to learn how to dividend invest. So that's one thing just to look into. So I have Pembina, that's a monthly dividend stock, 3%. Enbridge I put to 4%. UVV I'm at 3%. BGS I brought it down to 2%. Have a lot of shares in it, but again, I need these monthly dividends start kicking in. XYLD, QYLD, RYLD 6%. I put it at 6 for a reason because it's cheap, and I got the super REIT. So I'm at 5%. I'm probably going to lower that again, or I'm sorry, I'm going to probably raise it to about 6 or 7%. So that's one thing that I'm looking at doing with the super REIT. So right there, I just kind of put it there, you know, put some more money in. The monthly dividend ETFs I put to 10%. Agree Realty Corporation, NUC, DIVO, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, my ETNs, really starting to rack up with these guys. So I'm probably going to start racking up with these covered call ETNs. The monthly and the communication sector, I sold Lumen Technologies. I'm thinking about throwing it in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. It just doesn't have the good dividend growth, and it's, you know, it's a decent communication stock, but I like the consistent dividends. I like the dividend increases, and they really haven't done that. So I sold it, threw it into TELUS, BCE, Verizon, and AT&T. And you know what? I'm going to be getting those dividends from these. That's going to grow. It's going to get stronger. And I'm very excited. And of course, the real estate sector slash BDC, that's honestly where I just threw LTC and Iron Mountain in when I sold a few stocks. So that's when I sold IIPR, and it was like way up there. And I'm like, all right, I got to capitalize and get some of these stocks that I really like. So I got Iron Mountain, I got LTC Properties. Right there, I have a ton of shares in these guys. I have how many shares do I have? 47.20 shares. So it's at $34. It's down. So I almost considered throwing it in my E-Trade dividend portfolio, selling it on here with that, and then putting on an E-Trade dividend portfolio. But really, I need those monthly dividends to start buying these quarterly dividend stocks, and these quarterly dividend stocks start buying monthly dividend stocks. So I'm just going to leave it there, let the dividends reinvest, and go from there. So, and then here's my recent activity. So here's the buys, like I showed you. You know, I sold Lumen. You know, I got little bit of TELUS. I got a little bit of AT&T. I got a little bit of BCE. I'm okay with that. And, again, I'm just starting to rack things up. I got some dividends from British American Tobacco. Remel gave me a decent a dividend. This is a mortgage-backed rate ETN. So I'm very careful with mortgage-backed rates. I'd really like better the real estate investment trust. Office Properties Income Trust gave me 350. Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund gave me 234. One Oak gave me 679. Omega Healthcare Investors gave me 1734. And Pembina gave me 319 minus 48 cents. Degree Realty Corporation sitting at 189. So I'm getting these dividends to start buying other dividend stocks, and it's so exciting because you get rack up a bunch of shares or something. It starts racking up, and guess what? It's buying other stocks. It's very exciting to see the compound interest kick in. So I'm going to back off probably until I get about $30,000 in my dividend portfolio with making changes. I'm going to start buying more shares, especially monthly dividend stocks. If I can get to at least 200 a month, by the end of the year, I'll be ecstatic with my monthly dividend stocks. I don't know if I'll get there to that point. Maybe in a year or two. But I do have some plans, with my career becoming a travel nurse to where I can throw in a lot more money a week. Stipend pay, they just give you like free money, tax free. So I'll just throw it in here. An extra $250 a week with a travel assignment. Who's going to say no to that? And it's local. I can do it local. I can travel a little bit out of the area. So, in a year or so, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm very excited to do that to really enhance and kick it up a notch with my dividend portfolio. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Again, I have a replica of the Death Star in the comment section. I also have there's a special. If you sign up and you use my affiliate link, we both get money. I think there's a special right now for $50. A lot of you guys actually did capitalize on that, and thank you. You got $50. You bought, a few shares. You could have got a bunch of RYLD to really build up your monthly dividend strategy with your M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So, if you're interested in signing up, now would be a good time to do it. And again, none of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes. Disclaimer in the description. And I'm just looking forward. I'm going to post a video tomorrow. And again, I'm going to start slowing down, at least try to pump out 4 videos a week because I work 3/12s. I have 4 days off. I think I can pump one, 4 days a week. I think that'll be a good one. Dividend stock analysis, show you how I'm doing with my dividend portfolio and go from there. So you guys take care and have a good one.